If you have kids and brushing teeth is a daily battle, this changed everything for us. This is Truthbrush. It's a smart tracker that attaches to your toothbrush and connects to your phone with Bluetooth. It automatically knows when your child is brushing. There's no start button, no app to open, and it beeps when it's time to stop. You can set a customized timer to help kids learn how long they should actually be brushing. And it tracks the whole family. You can connect multiple trackers and see everyone's brushing habits in one app. There's even a hub that collects the brushing data automatically so your phone doesn't even have to be nearby. My son loves earning the badges, and honestly, he's brushing longer and better without me having to nag. Check out Truthbrush at truthbrush.com.